This was a very tight order. The American customer placed the order on April 22nd, and we completed the production of the equipment by May 14th. The delivery time was shortened from 30 days to 22 days. On May 9th, I consulted the customer on a question, and he casually asked about the progress of the equipment. I sent him these videos and told him the main body of the equipment was basically completed. It only needed painting before we could start assembly and testing. The customer was quite surprised and thought our speed was very fast. 5 days later, the equipment was painted, assembled, and tested. I notified the customer to pay the remaining balance in preparation for shipping. And now the equipment is on its way to the United States. Fortunately, the customer's cooperation was timely, and this equipment did not occupy the warehouse for too long. As we are currently producing an order for 40 units and storage space is very tight. In any case, I am grateful that the American equipment order was perfectly delivered.